In this lesson, we'll review and identifying the error problem. This is part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 410, question 29. And we know this section always runs from 12 through 29 and gets progressively harder. So 29 is a hard question. In fact, it's a level 5. Here's the sentence. There is probably no story more dramatic than baseball's great hitter and right fielder, Hank Aaron. And by the way, this sentence is actually pretty apropos because today is 4/8/14, exactly 40 days to the date that Hank Aaron broke the vaunted home run record of Babe Ruth. He had his 715th home run 40 years ago today, but that's not on the test. It's a little extra trivia. All right, so we have to find the error here. There is, so subject-verb agreement, probably no story. So is singular and refers to the story. Probably no story. Really nothing wrong with these two. Here we have more dramatic. That's called a comparative. More dramatic. You could also say an adjective with an ER ending, both of which are comparative. So the rule you have to remember with a comparative is the same items must be compared. You have to be parallel in the construction. So let's take a look. What are the items being compared? There is probably no story that's more dramatic. So you need to predict in your mind then another story, not a story that's more dramatic than baseball's great hitter. This should really jump out at you. I know if you're not looking for this rule, it's easy to overlook it, but anytime you see a comparative, whether it be more or an adjective that ends in ER, like taller or faster, you have to compare the same elements. A story must be compared to another story, not baseball's great hitter. The answer is D. And again, if you want to think about the correct version to reinforce here, it should be then the story of baseball's great hitter and right fielder Hank Aaron. All right. The answer is D. See you next time. Thanks for watching.